What's up, guys? I got some really good information for you guys. Something that you guys probably be like, dude, I already fucking knew that, but I guarantee you there's a lot of you guys that don't, right? So we built this beautiful Road King for our customer, Danny, and he brought it back to us because he said, I need a Sissy Bar. This is considered a Sissy Bar. I don't know why the fuck I call it the Sissy Bar, but it is, right? So I bought the Sissy Bar for him. We bought the mounting hardware, so you have to get the mounting hardware. We got it from Harley. We put it on today. We don't do this often because we don't really do a lot of these. We have done them in the past, but we put them on today. And we went to do this. Let's pan in here, right? It doesn't line up. And so my ass called my guy, Brian. I was like, Ryan, you fucking sold me the wrong part, dude. What the hell? He's like, nah, dude, you didn't get the wrong part. You're doing it wrong. And I was like, explain. So you got to mount it to the shock. Here's your shock. Here's this part. You slide it in right here. On both sides, you're going to have a shock. Push it down. And there you have it. Now, the docking hardware has this extra, I don't know, ear or attachment here. That is, my friend, for your tour pack. There you go. I learned something new today. Now you learned something new. Let's move on to the next.